Hello, this afternoon's final job, Biscay blue Passat R36. This is one of two we look after. This one belongs to a very good friend of the KAVD team. Unfortunately had quite a huge accident on a bicycle recently and is unable to wash the vehicle at the moment. As a thank you for letting us take the vehicle out the other week, we want to keep on top of this for him. It's a very cherished vehicle, and so be it as well. There's less than 150 registered on the UK roads at the moment. Very rare. Luckily we do look after two of these vehicles. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you around the car now, to show you what's being done. I'm sure you will agree it looks absolutely outstanding. 3.6 V6, 330 brake horsepower. This car is an animal. I've had the pleasure of driving this one, and yeah, I would consider buying one, even an estate for KVD, to be fair. But yeah, I'll take you around the vehicle now and show you what it looks like. So, wheels cleaned, inside and out. The Biscay blue paintwork received a snow foam pre-wash, whilst all gaps, crevices have been detailed with a detailing brush. Full thorough rinse down before then a 2-bucket metal safe wash. H2O garden gloss from Adams, and then finished with QD1. Stunning car. I will have one day, I hope. Glossy. We've also given it a light interior clean as well, just to freshen up the mats. Not much is ever needed in here. I'd say it's a very well cherished and well looked after vehicle. Enjoy, folks.